Hi Rick, my name is Mumin Shah and today I'm give the presentation on assignment number 1. Today I select the data set about the electric utility cost, energy sales, peak demand and customer count data from 1994 to 2019. This data source I taken from the OpenAI website and this is the reference link. So this is the web page. I download the dataset, click on it, and this is in Excel format. So I converted into CSV format. So today select the dataset because the New York is one of the world's most populated and live city in US. All big companies headquarters uh, in New York. So the electricity consumption is more. So I want to know about the cell performance of New York Electricity and Gas Corporation. So today's business questions are how residential cell performance of New York State Electric and Gas Corporation from 2010 to 2019, analysis of residential, commercial and industrial electricity cell performance of the corporation from 2010 to 2019, what is the cell prediction of commercial and residential electricity cell of New York State Electric and Gas Corporation on basis of 2001 to 2019, total sale of electricity by company name and reporting year in US. Which company is on top of the sales of electricity in 2019 in US? Now we see the raw data. So this raw data is in Excel format and it contains so many columns and rows, and some of the data has a no value, so I have to clean that data. So now our clean data is in here and it's in a CSV format, and here we can see the company's name, reporting year, distribution capital addition, distribution maintenance cost, transmission operational cost, sales expenses, administrative cost, number of customers, and this is our clean data. Now we see the coding in a Jupyter notebook. So this is our Jupyter notebook, and now first we need to import the libraries. So we we run it, and now here is a numpy as for a numerical operation, pandas libraries is for panda spd, matplotlib is for a graph, seaborn is for the visualization, and here is a cp is for statistical calculations. So first we need to import the file from our data set from our computer. So first, so here we can run and then we can import this file, and this is our path. Let's see user sabi and then .csv format. So here I give the data frame name is today electricity US. So here we can see the when we put the electricity us.info, we get it give the whole information about our data set, how many columns in it, how many rows, none values. Here we can see the size of the data to 602.8 KB, and now this is our data frame. So here we can see the all columns and rows, and this is here this is here the number is start from the 0 and it is a index column. So and this is the last rows, and now we need to call on the first 5 rows. So we have to put the coding is electricity.us.head 5. So here we can see 0 1 2 3 4, that is a 5 rows, first 5 rows, and now we see the call the last 5 rows. So the electricity us.tail 5. So here we can see the last 5 row of the data set. So now we use the ilog command. So for we need a particular row, we need a information, we use this command. So here I put ilog 4, so that means it's give me a information about a number 4 numbered rows. So here is a Atlantic Electric Company. So here we can see the reporting year and everything, whole information about row number 4. So now I want to change the column name. Uh, in place of index, I want to put utility name, the company name. So here I can see the electricity US dot set underscore index utility name in place is equal to true. So in index now we can see the utility name over here instead of the numbers. So in here our data set, some of the uh, data is a non-value and some of them is a zero, and here we can see there is none value. So I want to fill that none value in none value. So I want to fill 0 0.0 in place of none value. So here we can see electricity US dot fill NA and 0 0.0. So now we can see over here, instead of none we can see here now all 0 0.00. So now I want to see like how many rows in a column. So I just put the electricity dot US dot shape. So here we can see there is 2,967 rows and 25 columns in it. It's very big data. Uh, Here now I want to give the another data frame elect US. So in this data frame I just want to select reporting year, residential cells, commercial cells, industrial cells, and this is the index column, so we can get. And so here I put pd dot data frame electricity US columns reporting year and then run. So now here we can see elect US and we get the information about all companies and reporting year, residential cell, commercial and industrial cells details. So in this one particularly we are looking for a New York State Electric and Gas Corporation details and years and all the cell information, right? So here I put the elect US1 and call the new data frame. So it's easy for analysis. So elect US1. So here we can see like from 1994 to up to 2019 about all the information about the New York State Electric and Gas Corporation. So now here we use some statistical commands. So elect US.count. So here this is 25 rows. This is reporting year, so it's 25 years, and commercial cell about 25 data, industrial same 25. Now we can see the maximum value. So elect US1 dot maximum and run. So we get the information over here is a 2019 reporting year is a maximum, residential cell, commercial cell, industrial cell, all information about it. Now we want to see the minimum. So in minimum is a 1994 here, and we get all information about it. Same thing now I want to do the median, like middle number of the New York corporation cell. So here we can see the 2007 is the average sales, and now I want to see a summary of the statistics of that data set. So here I put elect US describe. So here I can see all statistical command like count, mean, standard, minimum, maximum, 50%, everything, all information is over here. We can see the E, but it's like a big number in megawatt unit, so that's why. So now I want to like last 10 rows of this data set, I give the number elect US2. So this is elect US1 dot tail 10. So last 10 rows of that data set we can see over here. So this information is from 2010 to 2019. So now we see the data visualization about the elect US2. So this is our so here today I presenting in a scatter chart. This is our command, and here we can see the residential cell of New York State Electric and Gas Corporation from 2010 to 2019. Here we can see all the information about the residential cell, and this all residential cell in megawatt. Now we can see the line chart. So in line chart, we compare the our this is our business question. Like we need to compare the residential, commercial, and industrial cells of New York State Electric and Gas Corporation cells from 2010 to 2019. So here this is the cell. This is a industrial cell, this is a commercial cell, and this is a residential cell information. Here we can see the residential cell is compared to more compared to commercial and industrial cell. Now we see data visualization in Tableau. Here this is the forecast predictive analysis chart, and here I take the data year versus commercial cell versus residential cell of New York State Electric and Gas Corporation from 2001 to 2018. So here we can see the 2019, 20 and 21. This is the predictive data analysis for a commercial cell, and this is for the residential cell, and here we can see all the information of that from 2001 to 2018. Here this is a predictive analysis for the residential cell. So here the residential is compared to more than compared to the commercial cell. So now we see one more chart, and this chart is give information about electricity cells of 2019 in US, and is which company is the top one for in US to sell of the electricity. So here we can see the on-call electricity delivery company LLC 2019 is a topmost electricity producer in US, and this is all other companies and about all the data about the another other companies. Now we can see the data visualization in Power BI. Geographical chart of US. So here we can see the so many electricity company location and then production data about when like we click over here we can see the like all the data from 1994 to 1999 here. So my question is over here, like so many electricity company in east side of US in compared to US west side, because the answer is here is so many cities. There is a populated and very big cities, mega cities over here, and so electric consumption is more compared to east side, west side. So that's why here we can see so many electricity plant. Now we see a donut chart. Here we can see there is a four donut chart. The first one is for distribution capital addition, distribution maintenance cost, and distribution operation cost for the electricity for 2019. These all four charts information about 2019 data. For the here is we can see the transmission operation cost over here. Uh, Here we can see the transmission maintenance cost, transmission capital addition cost. Here we can see. Now here the commercial customer and industrial customers and residential customers, here we can see. So this presentation in Tableau and Power BI, and my PowerPoint presentation is raw data, cleans data. These two graphs I make in a Jupyter notebook. This chart I make it in Power BI tools. This is in a Tableau charts, and here I make one dashboard in a PowerPoint to we know all information about our business questions. We can get the answer from this one, and this is my presentation for assignment number 1. Uh, Thank you.